grinding wheel. Grinding wheels are discs that contain abrasive particles and grains that have been bonded together to form a wheel shape. Straight grinding wheels, cylinder grinding wheels, tapered grinding wheels, straight cup grinding wheels, dish grinding wheels, saucer grinding wheels. Straight grinding wheels are usually used in bench grinders. Cylinder grinding wheels are used in horizontal or vertical spindle grinders to make flat surfaces. Tapered grinding wheels are wider in the center with a surface that tapers outwards. These wheels are used to grind gear teeth or threads. Straight cup grinding wheels are fitted to cutter machines and used to sharpen tools or to make flat surfaces. Dish grinding wheels are thin with a flat center that is raised outwards on the edge. These wheels are commonly used to cut openings such as slots. Saucer grinding wheels have a straight edge section and are used for twist mills and grinding cutters.